Okay, so let's say you want to solve quadratic equations. So what a quadratic equation usually looks like is like x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So a, b, and c are real numbers and a not equals 0. So how do you implement this in code? So we're just gonna like import a library on Python. It's called cmath. So import cmath, and you're gonna assign the values to abc. So a equals 1, b equals 2, c equals 3. Now to find the quadratic formula, normally it's like b squared minus 4ac. So it's like minus b plus minus root of square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So that's the mathematical formula. Now if you're gonna do this in code, you're going to have to find the discriminant first. So let's say I want to assign a discriminant d here, and you want to do b squared minus 4ac. So you're just gonna do like b square, so 2 stars, 2, then minus, then 4ac, 4 times a times c. Okay. Okay, now you have to find the b square minus, you already found the b square minus 4ac. Now you have to find, so there are like two solutions for quadratic equations, so you're going to have to make two variables. So I'm just going to make solution 1 here and solution 2 here. Now solution 1 is going to be for the minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac, and for the solution 2 is going to be minus b minus square root of b square minus 4c. Okay, so solution 1 is going to be like minus b minus c math. So you're going to have to call the c math here, and we're only calling the c math so that I can use the square root here. So sqrt, this will automatically calculate the square root of it. So you don't even have to like calculate on your own. Now I want to calculate the square root of d, so put it inside, and this will automatically calculate this. So do that, and I want to divide all of this by 2a. So 2 times a, and you're gonna just do the same thing for solution 2, except minus c math will be plus c math. So I'm just gonna like copy this here and paste it here. So instead of minus, you're gonna add plus. Now you want to print the solution, so print solution 1 and solution 2. Okay, save the code and run the code. Okay, I forgot to remove this. Okay, now save it again and run it. Okay, cannot assign to literal. Okay, I'm just gonna remove the commas here and run it again. Yeah, so my code's not very pretty, but it works. So this is the format here. It's a little like it's hard to understand it, right? So like what the hell are these values? -1, -1.14. So this is basically how it shows it. Now if you want to like put like a better format to it, simply just take this solution 1 and 2 and call dot format. So this will just format the values. I want to format both these values, so I'm just gonna put it inside the bracket. Okay, so I want to print the actual thing. So you have to like use solutions here. So make a string. Solutions are, now is this gonna use a bracket here? Oops, okay, wrong bracket. This one is going to be for the first solution, and this one is going to be for the second solution. Okay, so save this, run it again, And yeah, this is basically how it's assigned. So like -1 minus 1 point something j, this is in like better format. If you want, you can just like put a ampersandage of point 0.2 float, so like it's just gonna show the first two values, so 1.41. That's really up to you and how you wanna like write the code. Okay, so that was quadratic equations.